guys, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Iridian, and today's video is a makeup tutorial. I'm super excited for this makeup tutorial because I haven't actually sat down and filmed a makeup tutorial in a while. So today's look will be this bronze makeup look. I hope you like it. So if you do, then please keep on watching, and let's get started. So first I'm going to start off doing my eyes. So I'm going to use the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. I'm going to place this all over my eyelid and then blend it out using the e.l.f. smudge brush. So basically I'll be using the Tartelette Toasted palette by Tarte for most of this bronze eye makeup look. So to set my primer, I'm going to use this color right here. Just more, just to set everything in. I'm just going to blend it out using this Sigma E50 brush. Just applying some more all over just to set the primer. Okay, so next in the Toasted palette, I will be using the color Cashmere. It's this one right here. I'm going to be placing this color all over my crease area and a little bit above the crease. I'm using the brush. These are so old I can't even really see what type of brush it is. But it's Sigma E35. I think it says tapered blending. Yeah. So it's Sigma E35. I'm going to be using this one. Okay, so next, also don't mind my unplucked eyebrows. I'm trying to let them grow out. I want thicker eyebrows, and I think they've gotten a little bit thicker. I mean, right now they're like filled in, but they're getting thicker, so don't mind my unplucked eyebrows. Okay, so next I'll be going in with the color Cozy. With this color right here. So I'm going to be placing that color on the crease area. I'm using this Real Techniques brush, and again, it's a very old brush. I'm not really sure what kind of brush it is, but it looks like this. So I'm going very lightly because I'm trying to get the shape of my eye, and then once I get the shape, like where the crease area is, I'll start to darken it up a bit. Alright, so next I'm going to go into my Becca palette. I love this palette because it's literally all browns. And I'm going to go in with this fourth color right here. And I'm using an e.l.f. eye crease brush. So this color is literally going to go on my crease, just on the crease. If it goes a little bit below the crease, it's okay because we're going to cover it up with another eyeshadow. I'm just going to apply this onto my eye socket line very carefully. Okay, so next I'll be taking this Revlon Color Stay Cream Eyeshadow. This is such a pretty cream eyeshadow. So this is what it looks like. It's very pretty, very shimmery, very shiny. This is in the shade 730. Doesn't bring a name or anything. It's just 730, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to be applying this all over my eyelid, right underneath that brown color that we just applied. So I'm using the e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to pack this on. So now I'm going to go back to the color Cozy and reapply the color just to add more color. Then I'll go in with the fourth color on this palette, again just to darken it up a bit. lastly, I go in with cashmere again, just to blend everything out and just to smooth everything as well. Okay, so before I finish my eyes, I'm going to start doing my foundation. So first I'm gonna apply this long-lasting setting spray. It's the Matte Finish from NYX. I'm just gonna apply all over my face. Okay, so for foundation today, I'll be using MAC's Studio Fix Fluid. I'm in the color NC30. And to blend it out, I'm gonna use my Beauty Blender. Now to cover up a little bit more of my blemishes, I'm going to apply some concealer just on the spots. I have been breaking out a little bit and I don't know why, but we're going to fix it right now. We're going to cover them up. The MAC Prolongwear Concealer. I love this concealer because it will literally conceal any blemish that you have. Okay, so what I do is I like to put it where I may have some discoloration or where I just need a little bit more coverage, and then I just blend it out with my Beauty Blender. And with this, I literally just tap. I go very lightly. Next, for my under eyes, I'll be using this Maybelline Master Conceal by Face Studio. And then I blend it out with my Beauty Blender. Next, to set my under eyes, I'm going to be using this contour kit from Anastasia. This is the light to medium contour kit. I'm going to be using this yellowy banana color and be placing this underneath my eyes. Oh yes, I'm using the large concealer brush from Sigma. And to lock everything in, I'm going to be using MAC's Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Medium Golden. As you can see, I use it a lot. I'm kind of running out. And I'm using Sigma F10 to apply it. So I'm going to be taking this brown pencil from Ulta. It's their Make eyeliner. And I'm placing this underneath my waterline. And then I'm going to smudge it using this e.l.f. brush. Okay, now to add a little bit color underneath the eyes, I'm going to be taking the color Cozy, and underneath this brown eyeliner, I'm going to lace it just on the edges. I'm going to curl my eyelashes, and then I'm going to be using the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara. This is my favorite mascara. I have two of them because I'm running out of one and I really don't remember which one is which. So I'm going to put this on and be right back. Okay, so now to bronze up my face, I'm going to be using MAC's Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Give Me Sun. Such a pretty bronzy color. And I'm going to be applying it with this MAC brush. It's MAC 182. I'm going to bring it up here as well. I'm going to bring it over here. going to be using another bronzer right now. This is from Lancome. This is in the color Solaire. It's their Star Bronzer Natural Glow. Such a pretty bronze color. And for this, I'm using more of like a fluffier brush. This Sigma F10. For blush, I'm using, again, Lancome. This is in the color Blushing Nude. Such a pretty pink color. Next, I'm gonna, what's it called? There you go. I'm gonna line my lips using the Kylie lip liner in Candy K. For lipstick, I'm using this Clinique lipstick. It's in the color Nude Pop. Such a pretty nude color. There are 3 things I forgot to mention that I did off camera because I forgot to film it. So for my inner eyes, I used this MAC eyeshadow called Nylon. Such a pretty shimmery color for the inner part of the eye. And then to highlight, I used Master Chrome by Face Studio. I highlighted here, down the nose, and right here, and the Cupid's bow. And what else? I did something else. And I sprayed NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray all over my face. Alright guys, so I hope that you enjoyed this bronze makeup tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And that's pretty much it. So I'll see you in my next video next time. Bye!